Hey guys, assalamualaikum and welcome again sa Hammer TV. So ngayong araw guys is ipapakita ko sa inyo yung bagong update ni GCash. Okay, so be sure na naka-install itong GCash account sa inyong cellphone. So meron ng update si GCash which is mas pinaigting nila yung security ng ating GCash account. Okay, so ayan, as you can see, for your protection we will be asking your to enter your MPIN. Okay, so enter lang natin yung MPIN natin guys. Okay, so ayan. So wait lang natin. So as you can see, account secure. So ngayon, ito yung bagong update ni GCash which is dinagdagan yung security ng ating GCash account. So register natin ngayon yung ating cellphone. Ano yung cellphone yung gamit natin. So kailangan natin siya i-register guys. So makikita naman dyan, yes, register this phone. So yung cellphone na lang to yung pwede natin ma-open dito yung ating GCash account. Okay, so ayan, submit lang natin. So ang kagandaan nito guys, dito lang natin pwede i-open yung ating GCash. Okay, so ayan, as you can see, congratulations, account secure ka na. So starting today, your GCash account can only be accessed through this phone. So ibig sabihin, dito lang sa cellphone na ito, pwede natin i-open yung GCash account natin. So hindi natin siya pwede i-open sa ibang cellphone kasi ito yung naka-register, yung Samsung SM A51 5F. Okay, so ayan yung phone natin. So may registered phone. So ayan, balik lang tayo. Okay. So, mag-login lang tayo. Then, punta tayo sa profile, then security. Okay, so hanapin natin yung security. Ayan, settings. Then, account secure. Okay, so ayan, ito yung makikita natin. So, registered na yung ating cellphone. So, mas secured siya guys, compare sa dati. Kasi may mga nababalitaan din na nahahack yung kanilang GCash account nagagamit sa ibang cellphone. Okay, so alhamdulillah. So ayan. Okay, so I hope nakatulong ito sa inyo guys. Again, thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to Hammer TV for the latest videos na aking upload. Sukran and wassalam.